Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an ad blocker to Google Chrome. To get started, open a new Google Chrome browser window and search for the Chrome Web Store. Click on the top result to open the official Chrome Web Store website. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type AdBlock as one word, then press Enter. From the search results, look for the AdBlock extension with the red stop sign and hand icon, usually listed as AdBlock by getadblock.com, and click on it to open the extension page. You'll notice it has millions of users and very high ratings, which makes it a reliable choice. To install it, click the Add to Chrome button and confirm by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up. Chrome will take a moment to install it, and once it's done, AdBlock will be added to your browser. It may open a new tab explaining its premium features, but you can close that since the free version works perfectly fine. To make sure AdBlock is active, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome where you should see AdBlock listed and ready to use. If you ever want to allow ads on a specific website, simply open that site, click the extensions icon, select AdBlock, and choose the option to pause ad blocking on that site. This will allow ads only on that website. You can always turn ad blocking back on by reopening AdBlock from the extensions menu and clicking Resume. And that's it. That's how you can easily add and manage AdBlock on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.